Alright, so it's a little after 8 in the morning, and I'm on a mission today to find my drone. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I lost my drone. I did look on my app of my drone to see where I lost contact, and it's where I thought I lost contact. It was about 1,000 feet away and 187 feet up, but as I spent another 5 or 10 minutes trying to get it back, once I lost contact on the map, the telemetry did keep going, and it got as far as 5,500 feet away, and then I think it came as close as 4,500 feet away. So I kind of calculated if it stayed in the same direction, which I doubt, but it stayed, I'm sure, in the general direction. I kind of pinpointed an area, but it's still a large area, so we're gonna go look. The area I believe it is, because it also said it was at 57 feet when it landed, is that mountain that has the big Q on it. It's over in there somewhere. There's a mine, Quartzsite mine number 2. I think it might be over there. But yeah, it's still a big area. At least 1,000-foot radius, I'm sure. Okay, this is some sort of neighborhood, but it does dead end up here. And I think that's where I'll start my search. Okay, there's the queue, and I'm thinking it's over here somewhere. There's a mine over here, and there's a mine over there. I believe that's mine number 2. If my calculations are correct, it should be in this direction, but it was 57 feet, so I'm thinking it's up higher maybe. I don't know. Yeah, if the drone did land out here somewhere, nobody would find it because there's nobody out here. Or they may find it months from now. This is like looking for a needle in a haystack. But at least I get to see the mines. Those are pretty cool. That's mine number 1. And that's mine number 2. There's a flag up there. I always wanted to go up there. Maybe I'll end up there today. It is easy to scan though, because there's no trees or anything. You can actually see quite a bit of land. Cover a lot of land for your search. Wow, that's quite a mine. Didn't realize it looked like that and be so big. There's the big tent back there. I took off from just beyond that on the other side of the highway. I gotta bring Lisa up here. This is pretty cool. It's old equipment down there. They've erected a wall there to make a road. Just like they've erected a wall here to make this trail. Where are you, drone? Where are you? You could be anywhere. So from that direction, I flew in this direction. Could be anywhere right here. Look how they've stacked the stones. Well, if I don't find the drone, at least I get some cool video of this mine. Where are you, drone? I guess I'm gonna head back. Maybe we'll come out and take another look another day, or later on today or something. It's just too bad I didn't get a good location on my map. When you lose contact, then the map doesn't work. The map showed me 1,000 feet of flight, and that was it. Alright. Well, this hike up here wasn't going to be about looking for a drone. It was just going to be looking at the mines. But I'm sure there'll be another video. We'll go to the other mine over there, and we'll climb up on top of that. What do you think these rocks are? Think someone buried their pets out here? I don't know. So if the telemetry said it was at 57 feet when it landed, and it did say obstacle, which doesn't mean a whole lot, but I'm thinking it would be on the ridge of one of these mountains, or maybe on top of one. Could it be up in one of those trees over there? I don't think so. I don't think that's 57 feet above where I took off. Yeah, it could be anywhere. I am not going to stop my search. As long as I'm here in Quartzsite, I will keep looking. We'll be here another week. And I'm sure I'll be back to this area, because it's just cool to walk around here. It's really neat up here. Here's mine number 1. Okay, I'm parked down there. The dead end. Here's the big tent. And our campground, RV park, is over there. Just down the road. This is Quartzsite, people. This is Quartzsite. Wouldn't it be neat if my drone was like right there, just laying in the road? Oh, there's the queue. You can see the queue now. Probably get my finger out of the way. Okay, that's as far as we're gonna go because this is private property. Someone's put a palm tree over the trail. It's pretty neat to see how these mines were made. All right, let's get back. I give up for the day. Pieces of the mine strewn all over the place. Okay, with that we'll close out this video. But stay tuned because I'm not done searching yet. We have a week left here. We'll probably be out here a few more times. Even if it's just to take a walk because it's pretty cool out here. I think it's safe to say that the drone is not on top of the tent, that I can tell. Didn't think it was.